We're using this setup to explain our remote monitoring and control platform. As part of our platform, we have 4 key modules. One of our module is our firmware libraries and our rugged gateway to kind of set up the whole sensors and firmware and kind of send this data to the cloud. As well as we have a web platform which allows you to act as a command center and understand what is going on with your factory or with your building. And we also have a mobile app which allows the operators to operate and kind of monitor the whole systems. And we also have a cloud-based IoT platform along with data processing and advanced analytics to enable artificial intelligence and machine-to-machine learning. Let's do a little bit deep dive in terms of how this whole system is set up. In this system, we are using a combination of multiple sensors which can communicate with cloud as well as with each other. So we have created some rules from a machine-to-machine interaction, as well as we will use our mobile app to control some aspects of this setup. As part of this setup, some of the sensors that we have for emergency management, for temperature management, for soil moisture, for turning on, turning off based upon the environment around you. So as an example, we have some infrared sensors which looks at how much light is around us, and if it's dark, the lights comes on. As an example, we just switched on the light and it brought on the light in this setup in terms of red and white light. And as soon as I bring the light back on, these will go away. So this is based on rules and some machine-to-machine learning. And when the temperature goes up, the fans will come up or the ACs will come up. But that's all kind of set up as part of our rules engine. But we also allow the whole setup to be controlled through a set of mobile apps that we have for our platform. As part of our overall remote management and control platform, as I said, we have a mobile app which is for the remote employees' ability to kind of manage the whole operations. As part of the operations management, we have, as I said earlier, machine-to-machine and rules-based engine which will control the aspects of the whole operations. However, there would be some situations where there's a manual intervention required and the operators have to kind of act on the system. So as part of that, in this mobile app, the first part of the app is that a user could get deep dive into one particular facility and get all the telemetry data which is coming from these sensors, and based on these telemetry data, if it decides to take some action, to show this as an example, what I will do is I'll try to control some aspects of our setup and try to switch on, switch off some lights, right? So what I will do is I will select a particular system inside my facility and I try to kind of change how it should behave. So what I'm doing is I'm turning on one light here. So once this is done, we should see a light coming on over there. Hopefully this demo explained the power of our platform, which includes connected devices, a cloud platform, web and mobile apps, as well as the data and advanced analytics. This platform really gives a good starting point for building an industry-led solutions. This will give at least 50 to 60% of reusable components which we can use according to the business problem that you're trying to solve. Look at your business vision and bring on these modules and components to quickly build prototypes and a fairly quick implementation. Thank you for looking at the video and look forward to working with you guys. Thank you.